Saturday morning, hoping that you had called me. Realized it was the afternoon, I'm still sleeping off the party. The party from the night before, the summer heat had us down at the shore. I told you that you meant to me, hoping that one day I'd be your everything. Hope you agree, girl, I just wanna be your everything. Your everything. La 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 la, oh 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 oh. La 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 la, oh 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 oh. La 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 la, oh 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 oh. La 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 la, oh 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 oh. Hit the road in my 𝒮𝒾𝒶𝓁 when you didn't hit me on my phone. I saw you walking, so I pulled up beside you to see if you needed a ride home. Had you thought about the night before? The summer heat had us down at the shore. I told you that you meant to me, hoping that one day I'd be your everything. Hope you agree, girl, I just wanna be your everything. Your everything. Your everything. Hope you agree, girl, I just wanna be your everything. Your everything. Tell me what you feel inside. 'Cause when I look at you in them ocean blue, I can see it in your eyes. Won't you be, oh won't you be my baby? Then one day I could be your. Won't you be my baby? Then one day I could be your.
Good official morning, everyone. It is, what day is it today? Wednesday, April 7th. And I took a day off from vlogging yesterday just to kind of catch up on some things, sleep, because I was tired. Traveling always makes me tired. And I just needed a little bit of a break from talking to a camera. So I took a day off yesterday. And I am back now. As you saw, I've gotten quite a few things done today. Woke up, ate a bagel, coffee, threw laundry in, and it is now 11:40, and I have kind of just been catching up on YouTube videos, doing some editing, responding to emails and stuff that I missed during the weekend because I didn't do any of that when we were gone. I have a couple things I want to do today. I want to kind of clean up a little around here. The floor needs a good sweeping. There's like cat litter and just stuff all over the floor. I also have to do a therapy. My battery died, so I had to change it. What was I saying? I think I was saying I have to do a therapy session. I think I did one yesterday. I got a or an email that I have a message, so I just need to read that and see what that says. I have some brand videos I need to work on. And yeah, but right now I'm gonna make some food. I had a bagel earlier, but that was at like 7 o'clock, so I'm hungry. So I'm gonna make some food. I need to put the laundry in the dryer and then kind of go on for the rest of the day and figure out what I'm gonna do. I need to update like my YouTube book and stuff, just add in some things, plan some content, film some TikToks, and just a lot of, you know, kind of work stuff that I do right now. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm gonna be doing. Alright, so I just had another coffee, I had lunch, I've been watching some Netflix, just kind of hanging out, but I wanted to just come on here and thank OGX and Influencer for being a part of today's video. They generously sent me this box and we're gonna open it up together. So OGX is a hair care, body care company. You can find them at any local drugstore. I have used many other products, and they have sent me some things. So let's open this up. I love the box. It says, feel the love the feel. Super cute. And again, the packaging is super cute as well. All right, let's open it up. I already cut it just so it was easy to open. And so this is what it looks like. Whoa! When we open it. Whoa. So the top of the box, here I'll move it down just a little bit so you can see. So the top of the box says, what does it say? I can't read backwards, sorry. Uncap the love with us, and then it has all their social medias and stuff. I will link their website as well as some of their social medias down below. But we got a card. And so this is their new keratin smoothing oil, shampoo, conditioner, and looks like a hairspray. So it's 5 benefits, 1 bottle: smooth, strong, shiny, silky, and soft. So 5 benefits in 1 bottle for a true multi-benefit range to replace your extensive hair care routine, multiple styling products, and frequent trips to the salon. So it tames frizz, it strengthens, it improves flexibility, and protects against humidity, and adds shine. So we're just gonna open this up. All right. Looks like, so we have the shampoo, conditioner, and then a smoothing spray. So this here is the shampoo. It's a really good size. I like the color of the packaging and stuff. It's like a pinky red sort of tone, not tone, color. Cool. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, it smells really good. What does it smell like? I can't even think of the scent of it. It smells really good though. So we have shampoo and conditioner, uses like any other shampoo and conditioner. And then this is the Keratin Smoothing Oil Miracle Gloss Smoothing Spray. It says this multi-benefit blend is infused with keratin, proteins, argan oil, and ceramide. It helps to strengthen and smooth strands to reveal shiny, frizz-free hair. Let this multitasker do the work and discover your healthiest looking strands yet. So you spray on damp, towel-dried hair to smooth as you style. So awesome. Let's go give this a try. So I am now out of the shower. My hair is towel dried and damp, and we're gonna go in and use the Keratin Smoothing Oil. It's a Miracle Gloss Smoothing Spray. The multi-benefit blend is infused with keratin, proteins, argan oil, and ceramide. It helps to strengthen and smooth strands to reveal shiny, frizz-free hair. And yeah. So the 5-in-1 benefits are tames frizz, strengthens, improves flexibility, protects against humidity, and adds shine. So you spray on damp, towel, dry hair, section by section, to smooth as you style. So we're gonna use this, and I'm just gonna grab my brush here. As you can see, my hair's pretty frizzy, and like kind of has texture to it, due to all like the dyeing I've done. So we're gonna see how this works. So I'm just gonna kind of get it going. And I'm gonna spray all in my hair, make sure I get the ends. It smells really good. Okay, and I'm just gonna kind of brush it through with my hands. And then I'm just gonna brush my hair. So I let my hair air dry, but I can see a bit of like a shine to it, and it's really nice. It brushed out pretty easy. My hair is not normally very easy to brush out, but it's pretty nice. I know you can't really see it, but it's nice. All right, so I did use these on my hair and it smelled really, really nice. I really did enjoy it. And I do feel like my hair feels a little bit more like kind of soft, and it does have a pretty good shine to it, I will say. You can see how kind of shiny it is. Usually my hair is pretty dull, pretty dead. So I will say it was a really nice product. Yeah, so I will link all that stuff down below if you're interested in grabbing any of it or having a look at the other lines they have. I know they have things from hydration, repair, stuff like that. So make sure to check out any of the links down below, and let's get on with this vlog. All right, so the rain has stopped for a bit. I hear lots of noise outside. People are like coming outside before it rains again. So I'm gonna go for a quick walk around the block. I'm in all my gear, Lululemon leggings, Lululemon tee, Lululemon sports bra. It's the one I got in Whistler, the pink one. And then Carhartt hoodie. This is Alex's. I wear it when he's not home because I miss him. It has some, I think this was food that he dropped down him, but it is what it is. And then I got my Herschel mask. Gonna bring my keys, my phone, water, and go for a quick little walk before the rain comes. So I'll be back. All right, I am back. I did not go for very long at all. What are we at? I went for like 10 minutes. I have really bad shin splints, so sometimes when I'm walking, I start to not be able to feel my leg, and that's great. So it really hurts right now, so I had to come back, and we need to get ice packs because the best thing to do is to ice it a lot. Yeah, it's great. It really freaking hurts, and I hate that because like I was so excited to go for a walk, and like I've been feeling really good the last couple days. Like I didn't drive anywhere today. I walked out of the apartment and walked around the block. And I haven't been able to do that without feeling very anxious for a long time. So we're making progress. But my leg really hurt. And it did start to rain, but it was mostly my leg. I didn't really mind that it was kind of raining. So that's fun. I'm just gonna check in with therapy and go through my YouTube book and fill some things in because I haven't been doing that. And yeah, by the way, I posted a new video today, a closet declutter for spring cleaning. So if you guys want to see that, it's like, it will be my last video, my previous video from this one. So yeah, so I'm just going to do some computer work and some notebook writing, and yeah, I don't really have anything else to do today. Oh, I need to find a new show for me and Alex to watch on Netflix. That was my other task, so I'll do that on my computer as well. And I think that's kind of all that I had to do today. I don't know. I'll find something to do eventually. But yeah, sucks that my leg was hurting, that I couldn't go for a walk. That really bums me out for sure. But time to do some computer work. Okay, so I know it hasn't been much of a vlog, but I just sat outside for a good 20 minutes. No phone, no electronics, and just sat outside on the deck with the cat. I am now freezing because once the cat jumped on me, I couldn't move. But I brought out my little camp chair, so I was just sitting there with my feet on the table with a blanket on, and it's still freezing because it's really gloomy and it's raining and it's not very nice out. Alex is on his way home now. I don't have any plans for dinner. Haley's home.
Do you think it was Alex?
I got scared because I'm like, Alex just said he was coming home. Well, Haley's home now. I was just saying that Alex is on his way home now. That scared me. Alex is home. We ordered food, and I think I told you guys that we might order food earlier. I think I like just guessed it.
Actually?
I think so, because I was talking that I had no dinner plans, and I said maybe we'll order. And I also said I hope that I think I said that I hope that it was your idea. Well, he got home. I picked glass at his foot. That was fun. And now we're waiting on food that I'm not gonna eat all of because I ordered like 4 meals. Only really 2, but that's fine. I have lunch for tomorrow. I don't really know if we're gonna do anything tonight. I'm tired. I've been up all day. I've gotten a lot done. Well, I feel like I've gotten a lot done. Maybe I haven't. I don't know. I have editing to do today. I posted the box and stuff that I showed you guys earlier. And yeah, that's about all I got for you to say. For you, huh? That's all I got for me to say to you. Yeah, we'll see when the food comes. All right, food is here. Do you think we got enough? These are mine. And then those are Alex's. So cheesecake, mac and cheese and fries, salad and a sandwich.
Red's popcorn, shrimp and chips. And a
shit ton
pile of onion rings. Not a tower, but a pile.
So we're gonna eat those. Some of it's gonna be for lunch for me tomorrow and stuff, but yeah. Alright, it is now just past 10. We really didn't do anything for the night. We just ate and watched a new show on Netflix. We're watching 𝒮𝒾𝒶. It's actually pretty good. I recommend it if you're looking for something to watch. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.